Welcome to Supercar, the channel dedicated to giving you the unvarnished truth behind the world's most exciting vehicles. They say the new Dacia Duster is the ultimate budget SUV bargain. We say, before you sign on the dotted line you need to hear this, because buying the 2025 Duster right now could be the most expensive mistake you make this year. If you appreciate this kind of deep dive financial and technical analysis, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. The Duster has a secret weapon that makes it financially compelling, its incredible depreciation rate, but that weapon comes with a dangerous price tag. Everyone knows the Duster starts cheap. The entry-level TCE 100 bi-fuel is around €25,990, but the real value is its ability to hold its worth, projected to retain an astonishing 63.3% of its value after 3 years. This initial affordability and strong residual value are the financial hook, but here is the major hidden cost. Dacia is owned by Renault, and that means many critical components, including complex electronics and suspension parts, are shared. When you inevitably need maintenance or repair, owners report paying Renault prices for repairs, which is significantly higher than expected for a supposed budget SUV. This alone shatters the illusion of low total cost of ownership. The third-generation Duster features a 7-inch digital dashboard and an optional 10.1-inch central touchscreen, but owner reports are plagued with stories of multimedia screens freezing, blacking out, or simply refusing to start when the car is powered up. Basic connectivity is also flawed, with buyers reporting persistent problems integrating systems like Android Auto and Bluetooth. This technological instability compromises routine tasks like navigation and audio streaming. But this is more than just an inconvenience. This is a safety liability. Critical Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS, are failing. Dacia was forced by regulatory standards to install crucial safety features like emergency braking and lane keep assist, but the functionality of these systems is critically flawed. Owner feedback confirms that essential assistance systems randomly turn themselves off during driving. This erratic behavior transforms mandatory safety systems into unreliable, unavailable features, exposing a significant immaturity in the Duster's new software architecture. If you are looking at the flagship hybrid 140, be prepared for a transmission that seems actively hostile to smooth driving and fuel efficiency. The hybrid 140 is meant to be the best of both worlds, offering power and economy. However, it uses a multi-mode clutchless automated manual transmission, often nicknamed a dog box. This complex system leads to significant mechanical unrefinement, with multiple reports of sudden, unpredictable engine revving that occurs without corresponding smooth gear changes. Even worse for a hybrid, the transmission logic has been observed holding lower gears between 50 and 70 km per hour, causing unexpected spikes in fuel consumption that negate the expected efficiency gains. And for those who want the Duster's famed off-road capability, the 4x4 option comes with a major limitation that compromises convenience. The genuine 4x4 drivetrain is a huge selling point, but, well, it is exclusively limited to the TCE 130 mild hybrid engine. For many buyers, the deal-breaker is the absolute absence of an automatic 4x4 option, forcing you to choose between maximum convenience and maximum off-road grip. Furthermore, the 4x4 variant requires higher quality, more expensive 95 RON premium unleaded petrol to achieve its claimed efficiency figures, adding yet another hidden operating cost. Dacia's commitment to rugged durability means prioritizing hard plastics, but that priority comes at the expense of your ears and your spine. The vehicle's aesthetic is rugged and handsome, but that boxy styling, combined with insufficient sound insulation, creates a major noise problem. At highway speeds, owners complain about excessive wind noise and general acoustic fatigue, forcing some drivers to install their own DIY sound dampening materials. On the inside, the hard-wearing plastics, while great for durability, are rattle-prone. We've heard specific complaints about the interior plastic door panel vibrating audibly when music with bass is played, a constant annoying reminder of its budget origins. Beyond the noise, the seats themselves are often cited as lacking sufficient comfort for any extended long-distance drives. Forget the tempting sticker price. Right now, buying a 2025 Duster means you are paying a premium for a product with documented systemic flaws. The massive global demand for the new Duster is, honestly, off the charts, which has created two massive financial traps. First, wait times of 4 to 6 months are common. Second, this scarcity gives dealerships the leverage to add huge markups, often disguised as market adjustment or additional dealer markup, also known as ADM. These compulsory price hikes can easily erase the Duster's entire budget advantage compared to rivals like the Renault Capture. Combine the inflated price with the long spare parts delays, reported by owners, and your total cost of ownership is broken before you even leave the lot. So, should you pull the trigger on the new Duster? Not yet. The 2025 Dacia Duster successfully leverages its CMFB platform to deliver assertive styling, enhanced practicality, and exceptional value retention. These strengths, however, are severely counterbalanced by compromises inherent in the vehicle's rapid technological advancement and the current market friction. The analysis concludes that the vehicle's high initial appeal is diminished by 5 key systemic flaws. Mechanical refinement. The hybrid 140 variant suffers from significant mechanical unrefinement due to the complex automated manual dogbox transmission, leading to frustrating shifts and potential fuel inefficiency. Digital immaturity. The new CMFB platform integration is flawed, resulting in rampant glitches, infotainment freezing, and critically the random deactivation of mandatory ADAS safety systems. Refinement deficits. The commitment to rugged, cost-effective design sacrifices acoustic quality, resulting in excessive cabin noise on highways and persistent rattles from hard plastic interiors. Hidden financial burden. The perceived budget price is negated by high long-term total cost of ownership risks, stemming from unexpectedly expensive Renault parts for repairs and long supply chain delays. Market volatility. Extreme demand leads to long waiting lists of 4 to 6 months and subjects buyers to inflated prices through compulsory dealer markups and add-ons. Recommendation. A purchase of the 2025 Dacia Duster should be immediately delayed. The current high market friction ensures buyers pay too much for a product that suffers from fundamental reliability and refinement issues. Prudent buyers should wait until the 2026 model year, when supply constraints are expected to ease and Dacia has had time to implement essential software maturity updates, ensuring that the Duster delivers on its promise of value without the current accompanying burden of frustration and risk. If this analysis saved you thousands, give us a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments below, are you still buying the 2025 Duster, or are you waiting for the fixes? Thanks for watching Supercar, and we'll see you in the next review.
With